What's the meaning of arachnid? Arachnid. Arachnid.
Arachnid. Arachnid. Arachnid refers to a class of joint-legged invertebrate animals that include spiders and scorpions. These creatures are characterized by their two main body parts, the cephalothorax and the abdomen, and their ability to produce silk. Arachnids are predatory and have venomous fangs or claws they use for capturing prey or defending themselves. They are found all over the world and form an important part of many ecosystems. Despite their sometimes scary reputation, arachnids are fascinating creatures with unique adaptations and behaviors that make them important subjects of study for scientists and nature enthusiasts alike.